Walid, Boudhiaf, Tunisia, constant weight, 112 meters, 3 minutes and 30 seconds, national record attempt.
This will be a big dive from Walid, certainly known as a free immersion specialist, and we see him here with the monofin. A little change of pace for Walid. Someone certainly considered to have world record potential in free immersion, displaying tremendous form with the monofin here. 112 meter dive, big dive for the Tunisian.
50 meters. 60 meters. 1 minute. 70 meters. 80 meters. 90 meters. 130.
Walid's certainly a master of equalization. So it'll just be a matter of if he can make it back to the surface and deliver a strong surface protocol for the judges. Reaches down 114 meters with that right hand.
100 meters. 2 minutes.
Walid racing for the surface. You can see very dark here past 90 meters at Dean's Blue Hole. Walid still looking strong on the ascent.
60 meters. 50 meters. 245.
2 minutes 50 seconds into the dive. Walid making his way to the surface, met by his first safety, Jimmy Montananti from Sicily, and Roberto Berto, who is just here in the booth with us earlier today.
20 meters.
We have a third safety on this dive, Alex Linas. So Walid surrounded on all sides by our fantastic crew of safety here at Origin ECN, breaking the surface, and Walid delivering a very nice surface protocol. That looks as though it will be a white card from the judges. We're going to await their decision. I'm sure Walid will be very excited to end the final day of competition here at Origin ECN Vertical Blue with a white card. So lots of celebration in the water. Great dive by the Tunisian. And next up, Alessia Zecchini, the Italian, attempting to better her own constant weight world record with a 107-meter dive with the monofin. Estimated dive time of 3 minutes 45 seconds. We can see Walid packing his lungs at the surface, readying himself for this 112-meter descent. Searching for the tag at the bottom. Where is it? That looks like a 114-meter dive to me.
I think you're right, Ben.
and then making it back to the surface and delivering a clean surface protocol. So for this next performance, I will be joined here in the booth by Francesca Coe, the media director here at Origin ECN Vertical Blue.
And that was a beautiful dive from Walid Boudhiaf of Tunisia. You know, he had been talking with us earlier and had been hoping in the competition to do 114 as a national record.